Editing your menu is your next step in designing your WordPress portfolio. This is the menu that we're going to work on right now, and I'm just going to show you a few examples of how you can get started and some different options for organizing things. The key to having a good menu is having it be accessible, your terms make sense. Don't have 2 rows of a menu. That can be overwhelming. So I've collected examples of my work that I would place here and further divided my writing into some more subcategories. So let's go to the dashboard and see how that works. So I'll go ahead and take you to the menu page, which is under Appearance. So this is the structure that you just looked at on my home page. Of course, when you're starting your portfolio, you will not have a full long menu. Your menu will include home and I believe a sample page. And you're going to want to delete that sample page. So let's go in here, assume this is a sample page, and you would just click Remove to remove that from your menu structure. Your home page will remain linked to your main page of your portfolio, and then you can begin adding other menu items. Notice I have 2 types of menu items. One is the custom link like we see on the page and like you see on my LinkedIn profile. The next type are page menus, and these go to pages that I've created. Finally, I have a page called Examples, which is mainly just a holder for a drop-down of categories that I've created to be part of my menu. To get items over to our menu page, we go over to the left panel and we're going to view all. So, for example, we deleted the resume and awards. Let's go ahead and select that, and we're going to add it back to our menu. Notice that it comes in at the bottom, but I can just toggle it over. By the way, using this movement is how I get submenus, and I'm going to move this in right there below About Me. I also have categories, and I can view all. And this is where I will add items below my example. So something that you might want to do as you get started is set up pages that can be added to your menu, and at this point it doesn't matter if those pages are blank. To do this, go to Pages, and I'm going to show you the All Pages first. Actually, let's go ahead and save that menu. Important tip there. Pages and All Pages. So these are all those pages that you see. Notice you will have a sample page in here. You want to immediately select that and throw that in the trash. Nothing says an unpolished page like a sample page. To add a new one, we'll simply go up here to Add New. We could also use the menu over here, and we are going to call this our demo page. And again, it doesn't matter if we don't have anything published on it. We're just really publishing it so we can access it in our menus. So hopping back to our menu page, we're going to make sure we're in Pages, we're going to view all, and there's our demo. So we can add that to our menu structure. Like I mentioned before, the customized link can be added here. All you need to do is paste your URL, type the text you would like to appear, for example, home or LinkedIn profile, and add it to your menu. Categories are going to be added similar to how pages are added. To add categories, go to Posts and Categories. And for example, I had set up, and I'm going to have some more writing examples that I want as subcategories. So let's go ahead and do that. So in addition to some feature writing, I'm going to have some sports writing. Here I want to make sure that I set the parent up as writing. And I'm going to add a new category. And let's say I also have some news, parent of writing, add to the category. And I'm going to have none. And if I added, let's do a design category, and we'll add that. These categories will allow me to tag my posts as these categories and kind of create some organization for my posts. Let's go back to our menu, and we're going to go to Categories. We're going to view all. And we want to add our design. That's a new one we created. And news and sports. We're going to add those to the menu. Now we can go ahead and just drag and drop these under Examples, under Writing, and we're going to save our menu. And that is how you create menus and what are called nested menus inside your WordPress.